You probably heard the phrase, just let it go. Move on. Get over it. Put it in the past. But what if your body never got that message? What if the stress, the grief, the fear, the things you thought you had to move past are still living inside you right now, quietly shaping how you feel, how you connect, how you show up every single day? Today, we are talking about what happens to trauma inside the body and what it actually takes to release it. My guest today has spent decades studying something most of us were never taught: how unresolved emotional patterns live inside the body and the energy field, and what we can actually do to finally let them go. Nikolai Marand is a psychoanalytic practitioner, an energy healing practitioner, and the author of two books: Cleanse Your Traumas with Energy Healing and Libido and Unexplored Energy. And he bridges psychology and the unconscious and energy based on approaches to help people understand and transform the patterns that are quietly running their lives. Nikolai, welcome to the show.
Hello, hello. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so glad to be here. I'm sorry, I'm not really fluent in English, so I am here with Fabrice. We will translate the conversation. I will try to speak a little bit English, but Fabrice will help me to do this.
I
And
think you're
so,
doing a great job.
yes, and so I'm so glad to be with you, Stanley, and it's a pleasure for myself.
It's a pleasure for myself also. Now, let's start with something most people misunderstand. When most people hear the word trauma, they think of a major event like a car accident, abuse, a loss. But you see trauma differently. What is it really?
Le traumatisme est quelque chose qui nous impacte
Trauma
profondément
is something that we get impacted very profoundly by,
et que nous conservons dans le corps.
that we keep in our body very often.
Par exemple, ça peut perturber notre esprit,
For example, it can disturb our mind,
mais ça nous cause aussi des douleurs dans un
but also causes us pain in many cases, physical pain.
Now, can someone carry trauma from something that they don't even know consciously that they remember?
Alors, oui, bien sûr.
Yes, of course,
D'où l'intérêt d'arriver à faire parler
which is
l'inconscient.
why it's interesting to let the subconscious talk.
Il y a plusieurs outils pour
There's
cela.
many tools that we can use.
Freud, par exemple, nous a proposé la
Freud, for
psychanalyse,
example, talked about psychoanalysis for that purpose.
mais c'est juste un moyen de se reconnecter
But
à
it's only
l'inconscient
a means to reconnect to our subconscious.
et on retrouve, selon moi, les mêmes,
And I
techniques
think we find the same techniques,
que, par exemple, les travailleurs de
for example, that energy workers can use.
par exemple, moi j'utilise,
For
beaucoup le
example, I
pendule,
use the pendulum,
mais c'est juste une manière de se
but it's
connecter
only
à
a way
l'inconscient,
to reconnect to the unconscious or subconscious.
comme on peut le faire avec
You can do it with.
l'analyse des rêves, l'analyse
Oh,
de
you
la
can do the same thing
somatisation,
analyzing your dreams or how you somatize
ou l'analyse des lapsus ou des actes.
or looking at your Freudian slips, for example.
Now, this is the part that I think people are going to find fascinating. You believe trauma is not just stored in the memory, it is stored in the body and the energy field. What does that actually look like for someone's day to day life?
C'est tout ce qui nous empêche d'être nous-mêmes.
It's everything that keeps us from being ourselves.
Par exemple, qui nous fait porter un faux self,
For example, carrying a fake self.
qui nous fait, supporter des choses que nous ne
What makes
devrions pas
us put
supporter,
up with things that we shouldn't be putting up with,
imposées par nos parents,
imposed by our parents,
par des croyances,
by beliefs,
l'école quand elle est pas bien faite,
by school, if it's not a very good school,
par tous les gens qui nous veulent, nous vendre des choses dont nous
by
n'avons pas besoin.
all the people that want to sell us stuff that we don't need.
Now, how does unresolved trauma show up in ways people do not recognize as trauma, like in their relationships and their health, their energy levels?
La chose la plus courante, c'est le burn-out,
The most common thing is burnout.
mais c'est à chaque fois qu'en fait on se dit: «Tiens, je devrais pas,
But every time it's when you think I shouldn't be doing this,
je suis pas heureux,
I'm not happy,
je n'ai pas de sensation,
I don't feel anything,
je m'en
I'm bored,
je n'ai pas de but dans la vie».
I don't have any goals in my life.
Now, a lot of people spend years in therapy and they still feel stuck. Why does talking about something not always release it?
La psychanalyse est une très bonne
Psychoanalysis is a very good
thérapie
therapy.
et tous les gens qui sont niveau le plus haut de la société
All the people that belong to the elite, the highest level of society,
font de la thérapie, du coaching,
undertake therapy.
hypnose,
They use coaching, hypnosis,
d'autres choses qui les aident à être eux-mêmes, à supporter le
many things that
stress et à
help
avoir des
them
idées.
put up with stress, to be creative.
Donc aujourd'hui, tout cela doit être à la portée de tout le monde,
So today
peut-être des
we would
méthodes
like
plus
for
accessibles.
this to be accessible to everyone.
Yes. Now, what is missing from the approaches that not only work with the mind?
Non, parce que il faut, à un moment, il faut arrêter.
There's a time when we need to let go, actually.
Et c'est ça la solution la plus importante,
This
lâcher
is
prise par
the
rapport
most
notamment
important solution, letting go in terms
aux
of
injonctions que nous
the
recevons de partout.
injunctions that we receive from everyone around us.
Je peux prendre ma voiture sans avoir mes papiers, ni sans avoir de
I
carte
can
bancaire sur
take
moi,
my car
un grand nombre
without
de fois.
my driver's license or my credit cards.
Je peux quitter mon domicile sans fermer
I can leave
ma
home
maison à clé
without locking my door.
et je peux faire cela sans stress et il ne se passe
I can do this without stressing out and nothing won't happen.
If you ever felt like you were doing something and all the right things like therapy, self work, personal development, and still blocked, this conversation is for you. Now, I'm speaking to the audience. Follow this podcast right now. Every week, we bring the conversations that help you understand what is really happening in your body, mind, and your life. Now, I want to talk about what you actually do in plain language for someone who has never heard of energy healing. What happens in an energy healing session?
Alors, ce n'est pas magique, mais principalement,
It's
c'est la
no
libération
magic,
des...
but what we do is we set free emotions, deep emotions.
And how is that done?
C'est un peu comme si nous étions, quand
It's
nous
a bit as if
arrivons, quand nous naissons dans un grand château,
when we are born
et
in a big
quand nous,
castle,
quand nous arrivons devant des éléments qui nous perturbent,
and
fermons
when we're faced by
les chambres de
disturbing
ce château.
events, we close down the rooms in this castle.
Et à la fin, on n'habite
And at
plus que
the
dans la
end,
niche du chien,
some of us only live in the doghouse of the guardian's doghouse. We end up living in that tiny place.
Les gens les plus supérieurs de la société, les plus brillants,
The most
non
advanced, most
seulement
brilliant
ils gardent
people in
leur château,
society not only
mais ils
they
rachètent
get
les
to keep
châteaux
their
d'à côté.
castle, but also they buy other people's castles.
Donc c'est la psychanalyse ou l'énergie, le travail sur l'énergie
Psychoanalysis
permet de
or work on
réouvrir les portes,
energy help reopen those doors,
des portes des chambres que nous avons fermées avec tant de soins et tant
the
d'énergie.
doors leading to all those bedrooms that we closed down that kept us from evolving.
Et quand nous rouvrons la porte, nous récupérons tout
When
ce que
we
nous
open
avons
those doors
laissé
back up, we get everything that we left behind back,
et l'énergie d'ouvrir les autres portes.
and that gives us the energy to open the other doors back up.
Et ainsi, nous pouvons réhabiter notre...
And then we can live again in our own castle.
I love that. I love that. Now, what does it feel like from the inside when an emotional block starts to actually shift?
Alors, le plus important, c'est qu'on va se
The most
reconnecter
important
à
is
notre
we're going to
intuition.
reconnect to our intuition.
C'est le fait fondamental. Les
This is
événements que nous
a
allons
key
vivre dans la
factor.
vie
The events that we're going to go through life
sont les mêmes.
are the
On va
same.
toujours avoir,
We're always
la
going
voiture qui
to
crève,
have
la
the car that
maladie,
breaks down, the diseases,
les enfants qui vont, par exemple, nous poser des problèmes,
children that are problematic,
le chien qui s'est évadé.
or the dog that ran away.
La différence, c'est qu'on va avoir
The difference is that
l'énergie,
we have the energy,
l'intuition
the
de
intuition
savoir quelle va être la bonne
to
attitude.
know which attitude is correct.
C'est la seule différence.
This is the only difference.
I see. Now, is something anyone can access, or does it require a specific belief system?
Non, il n'y a pas de religion liée à ça.
There's no religion involved.
Il y a pas de choses particulières à faire.
There's nothing particular that you need to do.
Après, c'est vraiment cette, connexion à ce qu'on peut peut-être appeler, la spiritualité, mais au sens très large.
There's like a spiritual connection, but in a very broad sense.
C'est-à-dire que vous pouvez, avoir, par exemple, faire du vélo et le faire de manière
You can be
spirituelle, ou
riding
des
your
maths,
bike
ou de
and
la
ride your
cuisine.
bike spiritually, or do math, or cook from a spiritual standpoint.
L'idée, c'est d'être présent dans l'instant.
The idea is to be present in the now, the here and now.
Pour arriver à faire ça,
And in order to do this,
pour moi, il faut faire la paix avec son passé.
I think we have to be at peace with our past.
Et c'est ce que je propose, à mes clients.
And this is what I offer to my clients.
Ce qui est assez intéressant, c'est que j'ai discuté notamment avec une Américaine qui s'appelle Nan
What I
Wise,
find
que vous
interesting
connaissez
is
peut-être.
I've talked with Nan Wise, whom you might know. She's American.
Je vous montre son livre ici.
This is her book.
Nan Wise a travaillé aussi sur la libido,
She has worked on
plus comme
libido
énergie sexuelle.
more from a sexual
C'est une,
standpoint, as a sexual energy.
c'est une médecin américaine.
She's an American doctor.
Et en fait, on retombe sur des notions complémentaires à ce que je fais.
And we have complementary ideas.
Je vais pas parler trop longtemps de ce qu'elle fait, mais juste
So I
elle
won't
a
talk too
identifié
long
7-8
about what
points
she does, but she identified 7 points
qui, posent problème et qui coupent les gens
which are
d'eux-mêmes.
problematic and that disconnect people from themselves.
Alors c'est par exemple quand ils ont peur, quand ils pensent
For example,
trop,
when they are afraid, when they overthink things,
quand ils sont en colère,
when they're angry, they're in a panic, a state of panic,
quand ils, ont des griefs,
when they have grievances against people,
quand ils ont des problèmes à s'occuper d'eux-mêmes ou
when they have a
à
hard
se
time taking care of
reconnecter,
themselves, or to recognize
tout plaisir de jouer ou d'avoir, de
that they don't feel pleasure in what they're doing.
Alors j'ai discuté aussi avec
I also talked with an Indian journalist,
Romala Butalia,
Ramala Batalia. She wrote several books,
très, très connue en Inde,
very famous in India.
et Romala dit: «Est-ce qu'il faut corriger le système ou pas? Je ne sais
And
pas».
she asked the question, do we need to change the system? Do we need to fix it? And she doesn't know.
Mais ce qu'elle dit, elle me dit: «Finalement, ce que tu fais, c'est une manière de réparer le
But
karma»,
she told me what I do is I try to fix karma.
et aussi un terme que je ne connaissais pas, qui est
And
le
she used a
sanskara,
term that I've never heard, which is sanskara,
c'est-à-dire,
a term I've never heard
empreintes
before.
profondes,
Those are the imprints, the deep imprints,
les expériences,
the experiences, the emotions,
les traumas, l'habitude et même les vies passées.
the trauma, the habits from former lifetimes.
Donc il y a plusieurs méthodes qui
So you
cohabitent,
have several methods that are compatible.
et je pense qu'on n'est pas là pour concurrencer les
And we're
médecins,
not
on
here
fait
to
pas de
create a
médecine,
competition with physicians. We're not medical practitioners.
on fait pas de diagnostic médical,
We don't diagnose. We don't come up with medical diagnosis. We don't have products that we sell.
Par contre, l'idée, quelle que soit la méthode, celle de
But the idea,
Nan
regardless
Wise,
of
qui est
the
pourtant
method,
médecin,
Nan Wise is a doctor. She's a physician.
ou ce que pour proposer Romala Butalia, qui elle est plutôt
And what
spirituelle,
Ramala, what she proposes, which is more spiritual,
ou moi, qui je me place maintenant plutôt comme un psy,
or
je suis en formation,
I
j'ai
am
bientôt
more
fini
like I see myself more as a psychological practitioner.
ouais,
So I'm about to complete my psychoanalysis training.
mais en fait, on se recoupe.
But
Simplement, les
actually,
méthodes sont
we
différentes.
all agree our methods might be different.
Et en fait, la réalité, c'est qu'on est impacté par notre passé, et donc il faut qu'on fasse la paix
And
avec ce
the
passé.
reality is we are impacted by our past and we need to do something about it.
Yes. I agree. And let's make this actionable for someone who is listening right now. If someone is carrying stress, grief, or emotional heaviness and they cannot seem to shake it, what is one thing that they can do to start today to start reconnecting with themselves?
La première chose, par exemple, c'est s'il est
First thing
fâché
could be
avec, sa
if
maman
you're
ou
angry
son
with
frère,
your mother, your brother,
il peut lui passer un coup de fil.
you can give him a call, phone call.
Si c'est trop compliqué,
If it's too
il faut le
complicated,
faire de manière symbolique.
you can do it symbolically.
Yeah.
Ça marche très bien.
It works really well.
J'utilise une autre méthode
I
qui n'est pas très
use
connue aux
another
États-Unis,
method which is not really known and well known in the US.
Qui est un livre, fait par un Canadien qui s'appelle Jacques
It's a
Martel,
book written by Jacques Martel, who's Canadian, French Canadian.
qui est la méthode des petits bonhommes allumettes.
It's the stick figure method.
Vous la connaissez?
Are you familiar with this?
No, actually, but it sounds very interesting.
Alors, c'est une méthode très intéressante.
It's a very interesting method.
Hmm.
Alors, je vous l'explique très, très rapidement.
I'll try to explain it briefly.
L'idée, c'est de
The idea
se dessiner dans un
is
cercle de
to
lumière,
sketch within a circle of light,
l'autre
the other
personne dans un
person,
cercle de lumière
the
aussi,
other person in another a circle of light,
les deux dans un cercle de lumière, troisième
both
cercle
within a
autour des
circle
deux.
of light, a third circle
Et on fait
around both of them,
On fait 7 traits entre les chakras des personnes
and
pour
you
symboliser les
draw
liens.
7 lines that represent the chakras of both people between
Hmm.
both characters.
Et après, on coupe entre les deux et on déchire les
Then
morceaux.
you cut in between the two people. Que tu as dit?
Oui, on déchire les morceaux de papier
and then
puisqu'on
you
a fait ce
tear
dessin sur
up
un papier.
both pieces.
Et l'idée, c'est que comme ça, en fait, on reprogramme
The
son
idea
inconscient.
is to reprogram your unconscious.
Vous envoyez à la personne de l'amour, vous récupérez
You
ce qui
send
vous a...
that person love and you take back what is yours.
Et c'est quelque chose qui marche de manière merveilleuse.
And this works wonders.
Wow. That sounds amazing. Now, what is the first sign that something is starting to actually release?
Alors, justement, quand les choses s'alignent mieux
When things get more in alignment,
et que vous comprenez que vous êtes dans une voiture de sport
that you understand that you're driving a sports car
et que vous conduisez, vous mettez progressivement de plus en plus de vitesse
you're driving, you're accelerating more and more,
et que les feux sont toujours au vert pour vous.
and you get only green lights.
Et que de temps en temps, si vous avez un petit problème, c'est
From
normal.
time to time, if you run
Parce
into some
qu'il faut bien
trouble,
avoir des
it's
problèmes quand
perfectly
même.
normal. We need to have some trouble.
I love that. Now, if someone is listening and they've been through struggling, they feel disconnected, emotionally flat, or like someone is blocking them and they cannot name what it is, what do you want them to know?
Alors là, il y a plusieurs méthodes.
We have
Donc,
several methods.
effectivement, il peut aller voir un psychiatre.
You can go see a psychoanalyst or a coach.
Il y a plein de gens qui peuvent nous débloquer de manière
Many
formidable.
people can help
Il
us
suffit de se
get
renseigner
release. You just need to
sur
look
les
them
gens.
up, do your homework, find out who they are.
Après, moi, ce que je propose dans mes livres, donc notamment dans
My
celui-là,
books, and in particular in this one,
c'est une méthode pour faire ceci avec le pendule.
with my method, you can use a pendulum.
Mais c'est un moyen d'identifier les
This
blocages
is one way to
sans passer par
identify
le
your
mental.
blockages without using your mind so much.
En
How
fait,
do-
En fait, on se moque de la réalité
So we
par
have
du
a laugh at
principe que
reality.
le symbolique est suffisant. Travailler sur le symbolique est suffisant.
Working symbolically should be enough.
Now, for someone that doesn't know how to use a pendulum, can you explain to them the process of using a pendulum?
Alors oui, c'est ce que j'explique dans ce livre.
Yes, and I tell about it in my book.
La première chose très importante, c'est
First
l'ancrage.
thing, which is very important, is to be grounded.
D'ailleurs, je travaille actuellement sur la
I am
production
currently working
d'un spectacle musical
on the production of a musical,
qui émerveillé de voir que les artistes
and
démarrent toujours
I'm
par des bons ancrages.
amazed to see that artists always start by being very grounded.
Mais comme les profs de yoga et comme dans les arts
It's just
martiaux
like
et
yoga
comme les
teachers and martial art teachers and probably soccer and football players.
après un autre point important, c'est de travailler dans un endroit
Another
nettoyé,
important
par
point
exemple
is to
avec
work in
une
a
petite
place
bougie.
which has been cleansed. You can use a candle for that.
Et puis après, il faut lâcher prise.
Then you
Et
need to let go.
aussi, moi, j'utilise pas le pendule pour faire de la voyance ou pas
I don't
beaucoup.
use pendulum for predicting the future.
Il faut regarder juste ça comme son meilleur ami. La
I
question
see
de
it
son
as
meilleur
my
ami, quoi.
best friend. You can consider it your best friend.
Et des fois, votre meilleur ami vous raconte
And
des trucs qui
sometimes your
sont pas
best
bons.
friend tells you things that are not so good.
Mais c'est un moyen de prendre.
But it's a way to take some distance.
C'est encore mieux si quelqu'un le fait pour vous.
And it's even better if someone else does it for you.
Mais
Right.
on peut le faire autrement. On peut interroger l'inconscient d'autres manières,
You
par
can
exemple en
ask
tirant des
questions
cartes.
to your unconscious. You can use cards, draw cards for that.
C'est pareil, c'est pareil.
It's the same thing.
Now, you've written 2 books. Can you tell us a little about the books?
Oui, alors, déjà, j'étais pendant 25 ans dans
So
l'informatique
for 25 years, I was working in IT.
et pour mes 50 ans, j'ai eu des phénomènes
And when I
paranormaux.
turned 50, I experienced paranormal experiences,
Et
very powerful,
ce qui m'a amené à m'intéresser au
which
magnétisme, à ce genre de
led
choses.
me to get into energy healing, among other things.
Et c'est ainsi que j'ai une amie qui m'a conseillé
So
de
a
me
friend of
mettre au
mine
Reiki.
recommended I practice Reiki,
Et j'ai fait donc cette méthode qui concilie
and I
le
used that
Reiki
method, which combines Reiki
et la géobiologie.
and geobiology.
Géobiologie, c'est la manière de guérir les dieux.
Geobiology is about healing places,
C'est un petit peu comme le Feng Shui, mais la version européenne du Feng
kind of
Shui.
like the Western version of feng shui.
Mhm.
Et la première chose que j'ai cherché à trouver, c'est les fuites
The first
énergétiques. En
thing
fait, le
that
pendule.
I investigated on was the energetic leaks using the pendulum.
Voilà, le pendule permet de
The
mesurer en
pendulum
pensant
helps measure
des fuites énergétiques.
the energetic leaks or an energetic level.
Et ce qui est très intéressant, c'est qu'on peut
What I
déterminer
find very
l'origine.
interesting is you can determine the origin of that.
Now, your first book, can you tell us the title of your first book and tell us a little bit about what it's about?
Yes, the first book is Cleanse Your Trauma with Energy Healing Tool Retrieval Method.
I love
So the translation is made by Fabrice Murachiol, who is here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And your other book? Can you tell us a little?
And my other book make a link between psychology and magnetism. So the title is Libido, Unexplored Energy, Exploration through Energy Healing. So
In both books, prefaces were written by scientists.
le premier livre est un peu ésotérique,
The
mais
first
tout
book
est sourcé.
is maybe more a little esoteric, but I have all the sources quoted in it.
Le deuxième est plus pour
The second book is more geared towards analysts, psychoanalysts,
et les gens qui s'intéressent aux soins
and
énergétiques.
people that are interested in energy healing.
J'ai fait ce book dans le cadre de ma formation en
I wrote this book as a part of my training in psychoanalysis.
Mes professeurs m'ont dit que c'était un peu éloigné de ce qu'ils
My
enseignaient à l'école.
professors told me it was kind of off topic in relationship to what was taught in school.
Mais un de mes profs qui est docteur en
But one
psychologie
of my
m'a fait la préface.
professors, who's a doctor in psychology, wrote the preface for me.
I love that. I love that. Now, where can we find your books?
Vous pouvez les trouver sur
You
Amazon
can
aux
find them on
États-Unis.
Amazon in the US,
In France, vous pouvez les trouver dans les librairies.
and you can find them in France in bookstores as well.
J'espère pouvoir prochainement les proposer dans les librairies aux États-Unis
I
aussi,
hope
bien sûr.
they will be made available in bookstores in America very soon.
That's wonderful. Now, you also have an organization. your organization is a nonprofit and it's Telethon. Can you tell us a little about it?
Oui, c'est un rêve un petit peu d'avoir créé ce
It's
projet.
a dream of mine to have created this project.
Je le finance grâce à de l'argent dont
I
j'ai hérité pour
fund
l'instant.
it through money that I've inherited for now.
Alors, c'est pas des grosses sommes, mais ça a permis déjà de faire travailler une
These
dizaine
are
de
not
personnes
huge
sur le projet.
amounts, but we have 10 people working on the project currently.
Et nous avons de la chance parce que nous sommes aidés
We're
donc
lucky because we're
par
getting
une
support
entreprise américaine qui s'appelle
by an
Numi qui
American
nous aide à
company called
financer
Numi, which has helped us finance the project.
avec mes amis Christophe et Florence
With
Hamel
my
qui
friends
vivent
Christophe and Florence,
à Phoenix.
who live in Phoenix, Arizona.
Google nous a donné aussi $10,000 par mois
Google has given us, granted us $10,000 monthly
pour faire de la publicité. Alors, on les attend, mais
to
on commence à en avoir un petit
advertise. So
peu,
we're still
un peu de
waiting for
cet
the
argent.
money, but we're seeing a little bit.
Également, on compte sur les dons pour
And
financer
we're
cette
counting on
association.
donations to finance the association as well.
Et l'idée de cette association, c'est d'aider
The
les
idea
gens
behind this association is to help people
à aller mieux sur les endroits où il y a eu des
feel
gros
better
traumatismes.
in places that are associated with heavy traumas.
Par exemple, nous sommes allés
For
en
example,
Arizona
we went to Arizona
sur des endroits où il y a eu des massacres d'Indiens.
in places where there were slaughters of Native Americans,
Alors non pas pour juger, mais plutôt pour apporter
not
du
to judge,
réconfort
but to bring comfort
et des actions symboliques, par
and
exemple la
symbolic actions
prière.
like prayer.
Bien que nous soyons pas sur des actions religieuses ou
And
politiques.
we're not using religion or politics.
La semaine dernière,
Last
je
week,
suis allé à Verdun,
I went to Verdun in eastern France,
qui a été un des endroits où il y a eu des très gros massacres.
which
Verdun,
was the
c'est
place
300
where
jours, 300 nuits,
major massacres,
300
slaughters
000,
happened. 300 days, 300 nights,
300 000 morts.
300,000 dead.
Donc l'idée, c'est symboliquement d'arriver
So symbolically, the
à aider
idea
les
is
gens qui
to try to help people who live there,
être dans une ville entre guillemets normale.
who live like it's a normal town.
Et ce qui était formidable d'ailleurs, c'est que quand nous sommes
What
arrivés à
was
Verdun,
wonderful when we arrived in Verdun,
il y avait une fête foraine et un feu d'artifice.
they were having a fair and fireworks.
Donc 110 ans après,
So
l'énergie
100
du
years
lieu
later, the energy of the place
est en train de changer.
is changing.
Alors, est-ce qu'on est là pour ça ou pas? Est-ce qu'on a une action? Je ne sais
So
pas, mais après,
are we
ce qui est
there for
important,
that? I don't know, but what's important
c'est de dire que c'est possible.
is to say that it's possible.
Yeah.
Et pour cela, on s'appuie sur beaucoup de choses qui peuvent être l'art, la
So
culture,
for
la
that, we can use
psychanalyse,
art, culture, psychoanalysis, many things.
les spectacles.
Shows.
Et c'est pour ça que on est en train de monter un spectacle en France.
And this is why we're putting together a show in France, a performance.
Donc la première musique de ce spectacle devrait être disponible.
So the first song of the show should be made available tonight, as a matter of fact.
Et donc les artistes sont un ami
And
qui
the
s'appelle
artists
Franck Berti
Our two friends, Frank Birdie
et une autre amie qui est belge,
and another friend who's from Belgium.
Fabrice, parce qu'il a travaillé à la télé avec
And
elle,
Fabrice know her very well because we used to work together on TV.
et qui s'appelle Nancy Sinatra.
Her name is Nancy Sinatra.
Alors, elle n'est pas liée
She
à
has
vos
no
Sinatra
relation
américains,
with the other Nancy Sinatra,
ou peut-être un lien très loin, peut-être en arrière,
or maybe a
arrière-grand-père.
very distant cousin.
Mais je suis très content de pouvoir faire chanter
And I'm
Franck et
very
Nancy,
proud to have them, the two of them, sing.
avec un petit clin d'œil évidemment à vos grands Sinatra.
And of course, this is a little bit of a cameo, not a cameo. There's a connection, a distant connection with Frank Sinatra.
Et ce qui est rigolo, c'est que alors mon
And
Franck,
what's funny, Frank
Franck a beaucoup d'écoute aux États-Unis parce qu'il fait un rock
is quite
très
popular in
proche
the
du
US
blues américain.
because he plays former rock, which is related to blues.
Et Nancy a une très, très belle voix. Elle a travaillé
And
pendant 20 ans
Nancy
à la
has a
télé
very beautiful voice. She's been working on TV for 20 years now.
et elle est arrivée à la télé belge, grâce à en ayant été,
And she
finaliste
won,
d'un concours de chant à 16 ans.
she was a finalist in a song contest on TV in Belgium. And that's how she debuted on Belgian TV.
Également, sur le canal, Disney Channel en Belgique.
And on the Belgian Disney Channel as well.
I love it. I love it. I just think it's wonderful what you're doing. I think it's amazing. And if there is one thing you really want people to remember from our conversation or something very important that you want people to walk away with, what is something that you would like people to get from our conversation today?
Just, clean your past, to recover your intuition.
Yes, yes. And that's very good advice. And that's very good advice. Now, I just want people to remember that your body keeps score. It remembers everything, even what your mind has tried to remove in the past. And today, Nikolai reminded us that healing does not always start in the mind. Sometimes it starts by listening to what our body has been trying to tell you all along. Nikolai, I'd like to just thank you for coming on the show today. And if this episode resonated with you, share it with someone that you care about who is you carrying something very heavy right now that might be this episode might be exactly what they need it and to help them move forward and be able to live a happy, normal, and productive life. And I must say, your information that you shared with us is something that people struggle every single day with trauma. We have from the moment we're born to our present, we have been encountered by some type of trauma, whether it is in our childhood years, and many times it is, or something traumatic happens to us along the way. But it's how we release it that matters. And there's so many times, most of what happens to us is in our subconscious. And a lot of times, like we had talked about earlier in our conversation, we think we were over it because we don't remember it, but it's still there. And we can tell by our behaviors, how we respond to things, how we act, how we feel, what we think about ourselves. And like you mentioned, little things like boredom or just certain little, things getting angry easily. But you really need to listen to your body. And that's a very important factor that you mentioned today is that let's stop thinking with our mind and let's start paying attention to what our body is saying to us. And connecting with your intuition is so important because if we can connect with our intuition will guide us in the right direction and will lead us to that pathway where we can feel free from all that baggage that we've been carrying. And once that baggage is free, well, it's an amazing feeling when you release that baggage, how it just flows away and all that heaviness goes with it. And I love that you're taking the time to share your knowledge with people and to help people get rid of that baggage and to show them the different techniques and the tools that they can utilize in their own daily lives so they could live a happy, healthy, and productive life. Nikolai, this has been an honor to have you on the show. I thank you so much for what you're doing. And I love your books. I'm actually reading this one right now, and I just love it. And I thank you so much for being on the show today. And thank you so much, Fabrice, for being here and translating for
My
us
pleasure.
today. And it's been an honor, a true honor. And I thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so
It's
much,
been a
Sensei.
great pleasure being on your show and an
Likewise.
Yes.
honor.
Thank you. You have a great day. Thank you so much.
You too. Bye bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.